Hey everybody, welcome back to 2026. This is my very first video this 2026. I haven't been posting since the beginning of the year, and I just want to welcome you back to Patience Cooking. I want to be sharing this amazing wonderful recipe with you guys, but first I want to know how your new year is going. Do that by writing in the comment section. Look at this wonderful delicious tilapia roasted fish that I made, and I decided to share this recipe with you guys. And I went straight to just chop everything that I needed for this. And what I actually chopped was some sweet pepper, some onions and garlic, and then I also chopped some parsley as well. Right now I'm just stir frying the onions and the garlic that I already chopped, and then I stir fry for like a minute, and then added this parsley, and also went further to stir fry this for a minute before I added the sweet pepper. And remember, I already chopped this, so I just put it inside and I stirred and stirred and stirred, make sure that everything is mixed evenly, and then I let this continue to stir fry for like almost 3 minutes before I went straight to add my mixed spices. I always say mixed spices. Why? Because I know that people decide to use the spices that they are more comfortable with, and it's more convenient for them. So yeah, that's why I always say mixed spices. But in this case, I used some non spice, some white pepper, added some pepper flakes, some regular, and some just the spices that I'm more comfortable with, and I stir fried everything. And then I went for that to add some salt and maggi for the taste. And then when I was done, I just mixed everything together. I let this cook again for like 2 to 3 minutes, and our sauce was ready. Okay, now we'll go straight to the fish. Now take a good look at that sauce. It's looking really delicious. And I also added some chili powder as well to make sure that this is spicy. If you don't like spicy food, just avoid the chili powder and continue with the recipe. But I added the chili powder because I wanted this to be very spicy. Okay, so now it is time for us to marinate our fish. And to begin with, I already first of all did a little marinating by adding a little salt and maggi. Then now I am adding this already spiced sauce, already mixed, and all the ingredients were in, and I added everything together as you can see in the video, and it was looking beautiful and delicious. Make sure you put it on both sides, flip to the other side and put the same thing as I did. Cover it with the aluminum foil, and then repeat the process if you're doing more than one fish. And then we'll be baking this in the oven for 190 degrees in an already preheated oven for 190 degrees for 1 hour. And then later you open it, you remove the aluminum and let it be exposed, and then you bake it again for like 20 minutes, and the recipe will be ready. Now you see, you don't have to spend a lot of time to make this available. Imagine you back from work or you're making lunch, and this will not take you any time longer than you think, and your recipe is ready, your family is happy, you're happy. Okay, I didn't want to just make this without keeping some side veggies, so I went straight to make some green beans. In this case, I was using green beans, but if you want something else, of course you can always use another vegetable that you prefer. So I was using green beans. I just stir fried this, and then I added a little salt for taste and some green pepper, some more spice, mixed spices, the one you will like in your food and the ones that are more convenient for you. So I stir fried this. It turned until it was a little brownish and was looking beautiful. and then I took it out. So it's time for us to serve and enjoy this meal. I actually use some French fries, as a to complement the meal. And in this case, you can always use anything else, maybe plantain or any other thing that you want to use. And our recipe is ready. Join me as we serve this and enjoy. And I will see you in my next video. As always, bye for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, bye for now.
They make these new phones that anyway, they want people to be buying new phones. That's what they do. Because they know that the old phones, if you just